Sorry. Ah, I remember this. We've been here a very long time ago. Very long time ago. I remember all these creek crossings and things. Oh, there's little fishies in there. I don't know if you guys saw that. That's cool. Yes, I remember this bit. I remember trying to find it one day, trying to get back to here. Had no idea how to get here. And now we know where it is, eh? Oh, I've had some good practice with rocks after blooming, what do you call it? Crow's nest. These rocks are nothing. Go on. Nice little bike wash. What a marvellous day to be out on a motorbike, eh? Well, any day's a good day to be out on a motorbike, but reasonably cool, bit of cloud cover, keep that shady kind of thing. Great mate, great riding as well. Great bike, get into the track there. Wow, look at where we're being led into. This cool like pine slash rainforest. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Let's drive into the jungle. Drive or not, what we'll see. Man, I've got on my video list, you know, all these ideas and these different videos I want to do. Shout out videos to my mentors, I guess you'd call them, you know, people that I aspire to and get tips and hints from. And as you heard just then, for my loyal viewers would know, well, sorry, but his loyal viewers would know, accidental broadcasts from Maui. Just awesomely incredible videos. I actually messaged him today, so trying to find out about some bike-to-bike comms for Mr. Rhys and I. It'd be cool right now to be, well, communicating with Rhys. Hey, this is cool, oh, check out that. Oh yeah, I know, oh, did you see that? Yeah, that was cool. Oh, that sort of stuff. Some more rocks, some more crossings. This area is really cool, man. Look way ahead, don't worry about the rocks, look way ahead. Hey, cool. Oh, I looked at that rock. Hunting goanna. Little baby goanna. Hello? Hello? Maybe this is the deep one. Rhys said there's going to be a deep crossing. Looks pretty savage from this side. Oh. Whoa. 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 Hey. Just looking for her dollar. Mr. Rhys taking the cautious route. Just walking the bike. Just walking it. Walking it. Walking it. Not a bad idea. Some big rocks in here. Yeah, very big rocks. I'm glad we didn't have to cut through that way. I was thinking, oh man, that looks really deep over there. Starting to rain a bit, and my phone is in the little pouch in the front there, and I've only got the skeleton back on the GoPro. What to do? Do I stop and Fix things up. I mean, it's not going to rain for long, I know that. What to do, what to do? Speaking of getting out of the rain, I know where we are. We've got a perfect spot to get out of the rain. Funny. Here we are, out of the rain. Wonder if there's room for 2 bikes to park in there, eh? Perfect timing! Okay, the rain's passed, so we had a little break there anyway, it was nice. In our little shelter. So cool. And now we're going to hit up this grass hill. Rhys said last time he was here without me here, so it was very, very slippery. Very slippery apparently, so let's go find out, hey? Oh man, pick a bath, look at all these rocks. Oh now, Rhys is gone. It is ridiculously steep. Like there's obviously you can't see anywhere near how steep it is. Like I'm just looking full on downhill right now. Here he comes. Oh, there's that log. Check out a different track now. It's not even a track, it's just a thing. Yeah! Woo! That's an awesome track! Oh, I never do anything different to me. We'll try to check out a different track. No, that's not a track. Hi Rhys! How's it going? Good, thanks. Yeah! These bike-to-bike comms are great! I don't think you heard what I said. Dude, you stole, I was waiting for you to turn it off for me to do it. I love big rocks in the middle of paddocks like that. I like big rocks and I cannot lie. Here we have the Australian goanna. Cracking! He's gonna get it. Can you see him? Can you see him? There he is. There he is. You're gonna go up that tree, ready? You're gonna go for that big tree? No? I'm gonna go for this tree. that. This is that smell. We had a break before and we could smell this rank smell. Someone had run over this. I thought it was cow poo before. But it looks like a pile of guts. It literally looks like a pile of guts. And there's like a dead animal around here. It's been dragged up here. You can see like a clearing here. Ah, how nice is this jungle? It's rainforest. Look at it. Woohoo! Do you remember the smell? Do you know what it was? Do you know what it looked like? It literally looked like a pile of guts. Where? Back through the mud thing. We're starting to head back now. It's getting a bit later and a bit darker. More rain on the way, I think. So we're starting to head back. We've done a fair few Ks, I reckon, today. So we'll check out a few things on the way back. Should be good. Ooh, that's deep. I don't remember it being this deep. Was it always this deep? Yes, we are coming down a very, very big hill, aren't we? But coming up here, you don't really think about it too much. It's sort of just, you're on the gas and going for it. I don't really think about how steep it is. Nice. So yes, much wow. Yeah, like a ball. Practice uphill, young grasshopper. Oh yeah! Just for that, love it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of our ride. It was a good fun ride, nothing really technical or difficult or anything like that. There was some good high-speed stuff and then heading through the creeks and whatever was good fun. And yeah, it's just a nice, really cruisy ride. So don't forget to comment, subscribe. Me, camera. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. Give this video a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for the memories. and we'll see you on the next ride.